Hi guys, what's up, good morning, good afternoon, pets up to where you're watching us from. You're talking live from our beautiful home village. Today is another day. God has given it a gift of life and I am here blessed. It is a kind of morning. You know, here at the village you cannot live without working. You have to work, you have to wake up early. So today I was clearing the cow shed and I have to bring the manure to the sukuma wiki, and she was behind the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Unaitwaje? What's your name?
Natasha Makolo.
Hey, sasa you have closed the school.
Yes.
What are you planning to do this December? Hey, what are you planning to do? You are going to celebrate.
Yes.
Oh, how do you feel being outside?
Well.
Oh, so this is the garbage setup. You know, when you add all this manure inside we say that it is mulching, so it keeps the moisture content. Even if the dry spell comes on January, it will be like you have saved, like you will not buy some sukuma wiki, guys. So this is it. I've done like even my back is dirty. Let them show you how my back is dirty. Here. Kiko clean. Your map. What? What was that? No, you see over here, this is finger millet. Who knows finger millet? From scratch. This is like the whole of this farm up to that far. That is finger millet over here. You know very well, finger millet is very expensive. Maybe if you go to hotels like Nairobi, you're gonna find like there is brown ugari. The brown ugari, this is where it comes from. After it has been harvested from here, then they take it to the posho mill. After the posho mill, you're gonna cook ugari, or you're gonna cook porridge. I'm at the farm because I'm going inside the maize. That's why I'm wearing this to cover my hair. So guys, I hope you are having a very wonderful day. Enjoy the video and tell me where you are watching us from, and tell me, have you ever seen this? The seeds are very tiny. Guys. So let me know in the comment section if you know what is really finger millet is. And here at the farm we have mixed farming, in which this is neighbor grass. When you see neighbor grass at the farm, that means that someone has cows. Yeah. So enjoy the video, watch the video until the end. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. What are you waiting for? Wow. You see? Good news. There is a ripe banana over here, and I may wonder why my brother-in-law he couldn't even see, because he comes to the farm all like every day. So I don't know, I have to cut it down. This is ripe, guys. What? Hey. Oh, a banana, ripe banana. Fresh from the farm. So we have Ruganda matoke. I don't think if this one is for cooking, but we have like one. That's one. We have another one here. Two. They're very big. 2, 3, 4, 5. in one tenga. Imagine this one here, for the whole of this stem of bananas, we call them egg tenga. So in one kitenga, in my native language, there are 5 bananas. The harvest is big and huge. So guys, my matoke is on my head. In fact, I have no one to go to camera me, so I did it alone. So I'm taking the matoke home, and then there's another one here. I found like 2 that are ripe. Organic food. Organic.